In this video, let's talk about boosting your posts or page post engagement ads. So first of all, why would you use these ads? Basically, you're trying to increase engagement with your Facebook post. So you're trying to get more likes, shares, and comments on your post. And here are some target audience examples. And your own fans will be ideal target audience for this type of ad because they are already familiar with your brand on Facebook. You can also test targeting by relevant keywords or interests, and you can also combine the fans who have specific or relevant interest to the post that you're trying to boost. And what you can A/B test is the audience. So you can create one ad that targets your fans and another ad that targets the relevant keywords and see which one performs better over time. And my pro tip for these type of ads is your own fans will engage more. And the reason is obvious because they are connected to your Facebook page. They're familiar with your brand. They see your content or what you post every single day. So let's actually create this ad. Here I'm logged into my Facebook's ads manager. So let's go to create ad. Let's start a new ad. Seems like I was creating an ad and I kind of left it in the middle. So here we go. In the campaign objective step, let's pick the right objective, which is boost your posts. And if you click here, you will see the description. Use the page post engagement objective to boost your posts. Let's select that and then hit continue. There we go. Now let's look at this. It's on the ad set section now. We already selected the objective. Now we are on the second step. So this is where you can create a new audience, or if you have a saved audience, you can select that. Let's create a new audience. Let's say I want to target people who live in Dallas. For age, I want to target people 30 and over. And then in the detailed targeting, you can identify different demographics, interests, or behaviors. Now, again, keep in mind, you want to pick the interests and behavior that are relevant to your business. So in this case, let's take an example of, I have a client which is a outsourcing agency. Their target market is small, medium business owners in Dallas. So let's pick some small, medium business owners. Small businesses, small business owners. So once you select few, Facebook will do a lot of suggestions and you can go over that. You can exclude people or narrow your audience. So as you can see, there are millions and millions of combinations here that you can play with to target the right type of people. And then in the connections type, you can add connections as far as people connected to your Facebook page or other pages that you're an admin of. Now here, I want you to step back for a second. You're creating boost post ads. So again, while selecting your target audience, think about this for a second. Who are the people that are most likely to engage with your boost post ads? So always, here are some ideas. People who are connected with you on your Facebook page, they're very likely to engage with you. People who are fans of your competition or fans of your competitor Facebook pages, they're also likely to engage with your boost post ads. Why? Because they are familiar with either your brand or your industry. But you can definitely test different type of audiences and see what works best for your business and your ads. you can save this audience and come back to it and use it in the future. You will do that by clicking the saved audience from here. Let's move on. The next section is placements. Show your ads to the right people in the right places. Most of the time I let Facebook pick the right places for my ads, but you can edit placements and look at this. These ads are eligible for Facebook news feeds on mobile and desktop, and also on Instagram. So you can enable or disable those. There we go. Let's leave it to automatic. And this is where you will select your either lifetime budget of your campaign or a daily budget. Now, one thing I want to point out is you're creating the Boost Post ads, and from my experience, these ads are really good if you're trying to promote a promotion, a deal, discount, or a coupon to people who are already familiar with your brand or your business on Facebook. So just FYI. And then let's scroll down. Here is the optimization bidding section. I typically leave this to Facebook to optimize my ads and optimize the bidding, but you are more than welcome to change and test different options. And then once you're done with your ad set, always look on the right hand side in your audience definition section. So here are the people that we selected. My potential reach is 310,000 people, which is good, and I am in the green area. And here's the estimated daily reach on Facebook and Instagram. Everything looks good, so let's hit continue. And now, as you can see, we are on the step number 3, which is the ad. And in this case, we'll select the page and the post. So it's uploading for us. Seems like my internet is running super slow. That's okay. So keep in mind, these are Boost Post ads or page post engagement ads. So you will have to connect your Facebook page or select it from here. And if you hit this drop down, you will see your Facebook business page that you are an admin of. And I manage hundreds of clients. I have a lot of pages here. But I want to create an ad for GEX Management, which is one of my clients, and they are the consulting company to small, medium business owners. So let's select that. And then Instagram account. The Facebook page will represent your business in Instagram ads, or you can add an Instagram account. Now, remember, I have Instagram placement selected in the ad set section. I can add the Instagram account by clicking on this button if they have an Instagram account. If I don't, you can still run ads on Instagram, but your ads will appear to come from this Facebook page, GEX Management. That's it. And then scroll down, select a page post. So here are different posts that are coming from that business page. You can look at this drop down and select the appropriate post. And again, one quick tip is Boost Post ads, in my experience, are really good if you're trying to promote promotions, discounts, and other offers from your business. And then pixel tracking, we will cover that in another video. Now, before you place the order, let's go back up here and look at the different ad preview. So mobile news feed, this is how my ad is going to look like. Let's see how my ad will look like on Instagram. And look at that. So I didn't add the Instagram account here. So I can still run ads on Instagram, but they will just appear to come from this Facebook page, GEX Management. Once you're happy with your campaign objectives, your ad set, settings, and ad, you can review the order. Make sure you give your campaign a descriptive name. Look at the ad set and the ad. And if you're happy with everything, you can hit place order from here, or come back here and hit this green button of place order, and your ad will go to Facebook in the approval process. Now, I have several different Boost Post campaigns running for my clients. Next, I want to pick one of the campaigns that I just created a couple of days ago. It's already running, but I want to show you how to look at the data, how to do analysis, and how to make changes in an existing ad campaign that's running. So let's do that. Once your ad is approved and it's running, you can go back to your ads manager and look at the data or analytics. So here's the campaign for Miku, and it's a post engagement campaign. Let's click on that. And I'm looking at the ad set. So here's the name, it's active. So we got 702 post engagements. The reach is almost 6,000, actually more than 6,000. That's how many people have seen the ad. We're paying 18 cents per engagement. The daily budget is set to $4, and we have spent $125 so far in the last 30 days. And if you wanted to check data for other time periods, you could select that from here. Let's cancel that. And let me actually point out, let's click on the ad set. And let's say if you wanted to edit your targeting, you could click on this edit button. And here's everything that you have selected for the ad set, and you can actually change your settings. So for example, our budget is $4 per day. It's running, it's an ongoing ad. We're targeting women in Beverly Hills and 50-mile radius. And that's it. So let's add some keywords also. And since it's a plastic surgery clinic, I'm going to pick some relevant keywords, some keywords that will tell me that these women might be interested into getting a plastic surgery done. Beauty, maybe fitness. So potential reach has gone down, but it's still, according to Facebook, I'm still in the green. There we go. So I'm picking up all the relevant keywords, people or women who might be interested into clicking or engaging with that page post ad that we created. I could also add a connection type. Right now it's not added, but if I wanted to target the fans of this Facebook page, there we go. I could do that as well. And here's my potential reach. Now, according to Facebook, it's very specific or narrow. So I'm just going to remove that for now. But this is how you can create different combinations. You can target people who are fans of your Facebook page and people who have shown interest into these keywords or these categories. And I'm going to leave it to the mobile newsfeed and desktop newsfeed. And optimization and pricing. Right now, it's optimized for post engagement, and that's default by Facebook. So I would leave it like that. And once you're happy with all the edits to the ad set, click on Save and Close. So what I just did is a campaign, which was page post engagement ad campaign, was already running. And I made some edits to the ad set, to the targeting, and I saved it. And once you click on the ad name, here's the actual ad that's running right here. So this is how You can create a post on your Facebook page, and then using Ads Manager, you can boost that post and show it to more people. And like I mentioned earlier, if you have a promotion or a deal running in your business, it's a really good idea to use boost post ads or page post engagement ads and get more reach on that post. And now, again, a simple homework assignment for you. Go to your Facebook business page, create a post, and make sure if you're using an image, don't use an image with more than 20% text. And follow the steps as shown in this video and create a Facebook page post engagement ad.